Walang balak ang palasyong pirmahan ng Anti-Adolescent Pregnancy Bill na isinusulong sa Senado. Ayon kay Pangulo Ferdinand Marcos Jr., laman daw kasi nito ang ilang probisyong hindi nararapat para sa mga kabataan. Ang tugon naman ni Senator Riza Ontiveros, alamin sa balitang A to Z ni Ian Maghanoy.
Kasalukuyang nakabinbin sa ikalawang pagbasa ng mataas na kapulungan ang Anti-Adolescent Pregnancy Bill na inihain ni Senate Minority Deputy Leader at Senate Committee on Women Chairman Riza Ontiveros. Pero ngayon pa lang, kinokondena na ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang nilalaman ng Senate Bill 1979. Hindi umano siya sang-ayon sa ilang aspeto nito na tumutukoy sa konseptong tinawag niyang woke. Anya, haharangin niya ito sa executive branch at walang balak pirmahan ang sinasalang panukala.
I'm already guaranteeing hindi pa napasa ito. Pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it.
Hindi kasi siya sang-ayon sa mga nilalamang probisyon ng naturang panukalang batas.
I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that, because all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system.
Duda rito ang Pangulo tulad ni na Senate President Cheese Escudero, Senator Migs Zubiri at Senator Joel Villanueva.
You will teach four-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children.
Pinasinungalingan naman ng principal author ng panukala na si Ontiveros ang alegasyon.
Mr. President, with all due respect, maliwanag na wala po sa bill kahit ang salita na masturbation. Wala din po yung try different sexualities. CSE contains the very same things you support. Teaching kids anatomy, the consequences of early pregnancy.
Matatandaang idiniin ni dating Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno na nakabatay sa international standards ng UNESCO at WHO ang filosofiya ng comprehensive sexuality education. Kaya't ang plano na lang ni Ontiveros,
yan po ang atin ding isinusulong. I am willing to accept amendments to refine the bill so we can steer it to passage.
Paglilinaw naman ng Pangulo,
I still believe that sex education, in terms of teaching kids the anatomy of the reproductive systems of male and females, is extremely important. The consequences of early pregnancy, the prevalence of HIV, kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila na mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me.
labis naman ang pasasalamat ni Villanueva sa Pangulo sa pagsuporta nitong labanan ang naturang bill.
While we agreed that there is a need to address the rising cases of adolescent pregnancy in our beloved country, it should not be at the expense of our children's innocence and should not be detrimental to their health, studies, and morals.
Para sa Balitang A to Z, Ian Maghanoy.